Hi, I'm Becca Feeken with Amazing Paper Grace, and I'm a licensed design artist for Spellbinders. And I have new Glimmer designs coming to the market. I'm really excited about this. So I had a previous collection and now I have frames. All of these frames have dies that will cut them out that are in my other collections. There's a couple that I wanted to draw your eye to because I'm a card maker and I wanted to make sure that in this Glimmer collection we were addressing card makers. I'm so sorry. So this particular card, I have used a frame that I think is going to be perfect for card makers. There's a die that also matches. It's a new label shape for us. So you can actually cut out the die and then you can actually do the foiling, and it's amazing the detail that it gives to this card. So that's one of my very favorite. And then also for card makers, I have a frame that has a flourish that goes along with it. These can be cut out with the same dies that you use to cut out hem stitch squares, and it's just perfect for a monogram, and it's perfect for a little sentiment or any sentiment. And so I wanted to make sure that we had those in the collection this time around. And then the other is a little bit more frilly, but it is a frame that you can actually use either way. We've used it in a portrait mode, but it can also be used in a landscape mode, and it's perfect to use to frame a sentiment. Now remember, with the Glimmer, you can use them as metal stamps, where you actually ink the metal and use it as in a letterpress method. These elements you can also dry emboss through your machine so that they're not foiled, but they're going to give you the dimension, and it's a very deep emboss. It's absolutely exquisite. And then you can glimmer. You don't have to use gold. You can use gold. Gold is my favorite. You can use black. You can use brown, and there are so many new colors that it's amazing. So I'm excited that these are coming to the market. They're my favorite so far. They're just something extra to add to your cards, just like your stamps. And it's just wonderful that there are dies to go along with them.
Thanks for watching this video that was filmed in Phoenix, Arizona at AFCI's 2019 Creativation event. If you liked this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happiness is a life handmade.